So yeah, it's a little tight of a room in here. I was thinking about putting this on my kitchen table, just because the air vent exhaust fan is right there that sucks in the bad smells. I can easily put it there, have plenty of space. I don't really cook at home, so I don't see the need for that. I can move my Cricut back over here and put the bamboo there, but then the problem is cabinets. It's going to stick out so far out, and then I need room for the poop chute. So my question is in this video would be, if I did it this way, or if I did it this way. I do see some videos that they have this down here, and then they have one up there, or they have multiple right here. The question is in your experience, when it's feeding through the tube, is it good down here, or is it too much tension because it's pulling it up? As where it's pushing it, is it still rolling it back? I don't know. So yes, I can put a couple cylinder blocks here and then raise this higher so they can be equal. But what's the proper thought, I wonder? Any suggestions? Thanks.